Hello, quick little video here. This is how I'm going to use a sponge. I just wanted to test it beforehand, and now I wish I hadn't, because I would have to walk all the way back into the kitchen to get another sponge. So I just want to show you what I did here. I took this little knife that I've had laying around forever. I don't know where I got it, but it's a cheap knife and it cuts really good. So I leave it here in my craft station in the studio. Anyway, what I did was, look, I made one of these. It's a cork. Everybody has cork, and it's a little sponge, and you can use it like this. See there? No paying for things. We don't do that here. Let me show you how I did it. First thing I did was I just took the little knife. Here, I'll make another row. And we go down and we cut. And it just slices right nicely into the sponge. I got this sponges $5 for $1 at Dollar Tree. And just be careful not to cut yourself. This is our safety measures we're taking. And I wear glasses because I'm half blind as I've gotten old. And so now we've got this nice little thickness of a sponge to use for our cork. And we're going to grab a cork, and there's various ways you can do it. You can take it like this, take a pen, and, well, that's the wrong side. I like the thinner side. I like to save as much as I can to get as much use as I can. You can draw around like that and then cut it. Let's do that real quick. Now, just using my scissors here, and it doesn't have to be perfect at all. Believe me, if you've watched any of my videos, you know I don't care about perfection. Perfection is not real. All right, so now what we're going to do, at first I thought I'd use hook and loop stuff, because I thought, well, that way I could take it off, just because that's the concept behind here, is they have hook and loop. But then I thought, no, who cares? I have 1,000 corks and sponges are cheap. So we're gonna just glue this sucker right on. If I can get my glue to come out. You see that? Da, 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 da. Oh, that's our Fabrifix. Okay, works fabulously. Has a quick bond. And I'm just gonna take, I guess I'll put this side down. Just stick it on there. Now, if you don't like how it looks, because it's not aesthetically pleasing, because it's not a perfect circle, trim away. You can trim all you want, but literally that's all you have to do. And now you've got, let's give her a test go, shall we? That may not be a good idea, because that one hasn't been glued for very long. Let's see if this works. I haven't tried this kind of sponge before. I like to say a sponge. A sponge. Look, I even have the hook and loop stuff sitting here. So we're going to pretend that this is our craft. Works great. Da-da-da. There you go. Easy peasy. Okay, well, this is Jill, Daffodils Galleria. Quick video. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care.